During the height of typhoons, we would like to thank Mayor Greg Sataya for personally visiting our evacuation centers to ensure the safety and welfare of our evacuees. We would like also to thank Congressman Alvin Benitez and his staff for providing and distributing foods to our evacuees. I would like to personally thank all the volunteers who, during and after the typhoon, did not hesitate to answer the call of duty, braving the storms and leaving their families behind to help others. Pagpakana at ang mga volunteers. Kahit mga pro-official, I may not mention each of you by name, but you know who you are. Thank you once again for your dedication and service. My vision for Barangay Mandalagan is to keep it livable, harmonious, clean and thriving. Community with a beautiful landscape, a safe environment, and abundance of opportunities for all. But this vision is not mine alone. It belongs to all of us. Each of us plays a part in this progress. It begins with simple acts, showing trust properly, following rules, and showing kindness and respect to one another. When we work together with unity and compassion, our barangay becomes stronger. A community that helps one another is a community that succeeds together. Let's start now, plant trees and vegetables in our surroundings and practice with segregation. Together, let us continue building a cleaner, safer and brighter Barangay Mandalagan. Magpinulugay kay mag-intindihanay para sa masanag ng Waskamlag ng Mandalagan. So, ang ating slogan ng servisyo, ipalapit sa tao. Maraming salamat sa pagkakihay mo kami.
Thank you so much for the